How's it going, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. And today we're gonna try to catch some bass. I'm actually here at a little local lake here. It's gonna storm pretty soon. There's a lot of cotton on the water. I think we should get going, catch some fish. Let's do it. So I'm gonna have to go down there and check out the conditions first, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna stick with a spinning rod because I think we're gonna go with the wacky rig. And braided line is definitely not ideal for fishing around cotton because, as you guys know, if you're fishing around cotton, the braid will hold on to the cotton and get your reel all gunked up. However, I think that a wacky rig Senko is going to be our best bet. Pull out my all-purpose box. So basically, I'm just going to pull out a basic wacky hook. I mean, you guys know exactly how a wacky rig pans out. And on this rod, I have 20-pound braid, 14-pound Flurocarbon leader. You guys know the basic stuff, and that's what we're going to be fishing. 4-inch Senko to start. I'm probably going to upgrade to a 5-inch here later on today, but I think just to start, I think a 4-inch should be just fine. Let me grab you guys. But yeah, so basically we're just going to be fishing Senkos hopefully today. It's a little bit windy, but that should not be a problem. I'll go ahead and set you guys down one more time. I'm going to grab some bug spray. I mean, I guess this isn't really bug spray, but it's sunscreen, but it's actually helped before, so let's cover my legs in it. Lather up. Cover my clothing in it. For some reason, I don't know why, but this stuff really does actually keep the mosquitoes away. Alright, let's go catch some fish. Got a 4-inch Senko. We're gonna give it a try. Yeah, there are so many weeds. Wow. Holy crap. I'm wearing my polarized glasses and it's still insanely muddy. Muddy water. Holy crap, guys. I guess what we're just gonna have to do now is just keep walking until we find a nice little spot. Throw in this Senko. The spot here don't look too bad. There's not too many weeds. Make sure you can still see that Senko in the water. Oh yeah. All right. First cast. Just gonna make right out there. We're gonna get cotton in our reel, but at this point, I'm just gonna, YOLO it. Why not? First cast of the day. Just gonna let it sink all the way down there. I mean, sometimes fishing these lakes this time of year in the heat like this, it can be kind of tough. You definitely gotta know how to do it right. Plus the mosquitoes out here are thick. I mean, I don't have any bug spray on me. I mean, I put on some of that sunscreen, but chances are that ain't gonna help worth crap. There we go. It's actually a pretty okay cast. We might have to move down to a different pond as well. I mean, sometimes that happens. You got to move locations sometimes. This is probably literally one of the most pressured lakes in town too. I'm actually in Montana for this trip, so but this has to be literally one of the most pressured lakes in town. I'm not even joking with you guys. It is very pressured. But I see a nice little spot right down over yonder. I think I'm gonna go give that a try as well. It's really stormy. It's gonna storm out here. We got to move to a different location. We're gonna hop in here, drive down the way a little bit. All right, cotton's still insanely bad, but this is one of the best spots I could find. Holy moly. It is. Oh, there's a bass. There's a bass right here. These fish are a little up shallow, which is nice. At least these fish are up a little bit. Swirled my spinnerbait. Didn't get them. But man, that's great news. Means we have a chance.